At GCU's Colangelo College of Business, we celebrate our students' vision, values, and entrepreneurial spirit through hands-on opportunities, networking experiences, and business club involvement. Unique facilities like Canyon Ventures, the Charles Schwab Finance Center, as well as club experiences, Collegiate DECA, financial stock investing through Bloomberg Terminal certifications, all help our students connect directly with today's business leaders. Our faculty's experience offers our students the ability to gain practical industry opportunities, which align with their educational goals and skill sets that employers are looking for. Servant leadership, ethics, entrepreneurism. Welcome to the Colangelo College of Business.
Information that's going on now, and they're evolving with what's happening, right? They like to say your taste buds change every 7 years, your phones change every 7 months, but your decisions change every 7 seconds. If they're not changing with that, they're falling behind.
The open door policy that they have, I think, is one of the things that really separates us. The professors constantly trying to know your name, no matter how big or small the class size is, which I think is really, really intentional of them to do that.
Learn more and apply. Visit gcu.edu/CCOB.